Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do some cakes. We'll start with some 8-inch cakes. I noticed in a lot of stores that they tend to do their cakes in many steps. I'm going to show you how to do a cake in one step and make it very quick. So we only use one ring for every size. We don't go back and forth and freeze rings. I've seen some stores do that. So we're going to use one ring, and sometimes you could, other bigger ones, you might want to freeze it ahead of time, but for the most part it freezes right away as soon as you start making it. So we'll start with our 8-inch. If you do a sheet cake, you can use one cardboard and maybe put a tray underneath it to stabilize it if you need. So what I do is I take our 8-inch, I'll go through one really, sort of in detail, and then I'll do one quickly. So what I want to do is just make sure we got no air at the bottom. So we'll just go around and just fill the bottom spot. Just one way around. You can make it thicker if you want, but go around like that. Then we'll do our chocolate. So we'll hold the spigot at the height that you need. On this particular machine, you can actually just hold it right up against the bottom. So we'll just squish out the chocolate all the way around. I don't smooth anything out along the way, because anytime you take a few extra seconds or something, it adds up when you're doing 30 or 40 cakes. So we got our chocolate. We don't even smooth that out. We'll put our center right in. The big thing is to have everything close by, so it's easy to put in. So we put that in, give it a little squish. Now we'll hold the spigot at the height of the top of the ring. We'll just let the ice cream all squish out. So we should have pretty close to the right amount there. Now when we're going to go across, I put it on the turntable. I would pull it towards myself, and we always look at this spot. We'll try to fill it in. So pull it across and towards myself as I spin it. So as we get a little extra, we can put that back there. There we go, there's our top. We'll put our extra ice cream in our cup here. At this point in time, we'll center the ring up. We'll take a cloth, wipe off the extra ice cream. Make sure it's centered again. Take the ring off. Now we'll put that right onto our next cardboard. We'll take our comb. We use the plastic ones here. You can use the metal ones too. We use the small teeth for our regular cakes and our big teeth for our blizzard cakes. That way, when they're stacked up in the freezer, we can know the difference between a blizzard cake and a regular cake. So slit a little bit here. So then what you want to do is get the cake started moving, and then we'll just lightly touch it with the comb around. So when you're going to go back and join up with a spot that's already got some on it, this one, the cake's on the move, we'll just start it spinning and touch it, and then we get a nice smooth transition between them. Alright. This time we will make an 8-inch cake without all the stops and without the instructions. So here we go. Let's start the timer. Alright, go. So again, we'll fill in the bottom edges here. Go right to the chocolate. Best thing is to have everything all set up here close at hand, so you don't have to take any extra steps. Put our center in. Every 2 or 3 cakes, whatever we scrape off into a cup, we'll reuse. hold the spigot close to the top. There we go. What's our time?
1 minute 46 seconds.
Minute 46 seconds for an 8-inch cake. There you go.